So we're using a model to deal with uploaded files, and it's working just fine. But here I'm using a file field even though I'm actually interested in only images. And this again is a quite common scenario that you deal with images being uploaded. That's why Django also has an image field. The idea is the same. You still get files being uploaded and you move them to a folder of your choice. So you still specify upload to. But now Django will only accept images and no PDF documents, for example, which of course can be an improvement and simply ensures that you don't have to validate the file type on your own. However, if we switch to an image field and we save this, we get an error that we're basically missing some extra package which you need to install. And it also shows us how to install it. Because for dealing with images specifically and for analyzing images and files for being an image and so on, we need to install that extra package. So I'll quit that development server and run python-free-m pip install pillow to install this extra package which Python and Django needs to successfully work with image-only files. And once that's done, we can of course restart our development server, and now that works. Now in our form, I also will switch from a file field here to an image field. And if we now save this as well, and we go back to /profiles, now if we inspect this file input here, we see that it, for example, only accepts images here in the browser already, so that we have this first in-browser validation, but it will then also validate this on the server. So if I pick an image and I upload this, this still works and this still is stored. But if I would have picked a different file, like a Word document or a PDF document, it would not have worked.